All right, so I'm gonna apply the mask. I just did a derma roller. As you can see, my face is a little rosy from that. What it does, this is a 1.0 millimeter Alitura derma roller, and what it does, it opens up the dermis with those little titanium micro needles. I just roll it along my little target areas. I do it on my scalp as well. I figure it just opens up my scalp to hopefully, introduce the micronutrients of the mask, but also create a lot of circulation to the surface of the skin and scalp, thus producing the healthiest follicle and the healthiest skin cells. So here we go. In an upwards motion. I learned that from an esthetician that explained the whole process of gravity. And I know it seems obvious, but you want the blood flowing upwards. And so in an upwards motion, I do the neck, obviously hair, in an upwards motion. And underneath the eye area. Because a lot of those stagnant capillaries are what result in, puffiness, under eye circles. You got to get those things moving and circulated. And when they're stagnant, I think that's what, results in fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles, which make you look tired. And if you're, going out on a night out in town, or if you're, presenting on a big business presentation, you want to look and feel your best. I mean, this is a way to really release a lot of that congestion in the nasal and under eye area. So I try to get as close as I can and then let the ingredients do the work and pull a lot of that circulation and blood flow to the surface of the skin. So, and then once it's on, I just get it in there. This is all minerals. I just know what's in this, and then the combination of the essential oils, and then obviously the apple cider vinegar acts as an astringent to the scalp, to the skin, to really clean out and tone that area. So yeah, underneath that, the eyes, eyelids, and then you just let it dry. Probably takes about 20 to 30 minutes now. I mean, I just go check my emails, and next thing you know, it's dry. But if you have something to do around the house, it's the best way to just pass some time, but also get some positive effects. Very positive effects from your skin. There you go.